Dali is sorting out all our laundry clothes to be washed tomorrow morning.
Hi guys, tomorrow I will wash the clothes.
Okay, Saturday tomorrow, so you wash the clothes. Very good, anak. Good job. Okay, it's 6 o'clock now, and Tali is already soaking her clothes in the water. And tomorrow morning, you put soap, laundry soap, and then spin it. Okay, remove na your clothes also. Come on, and then put it there. Come on. Okay, put there. Yeah. Okay, push it down. Okay, good girl. Okay, cover it. Put the cover now. Tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, wake up and then spin it, okay? Done? Okay, it's 6:15. The weather is good, still warm. Not much wind here.